Hi, I'm Rosa. Thank you for joining me. This is what a late November looks like where I live. The sun is shining, the weather's beautiful. It's just nice outside, really nice outside. This is why we endure the hot summers because the fall and winter months are just beautiful. So I'm in my backyard and it's been a while since I've been on. It's just been busy. Everything's been really busy. But I am home right now. I'm enjoying some sunshine outside and it's just very peaceful. I hope you're enjoying a beautiful end of the year. The clouds are covering the sun now, so the light's a little bit better. I'm not squinting as much. So I thought I'd pick up the camera and just show you what's going on today for me. I got up, made coffee, made cinnamon rolls, got a few loads of laundry going. Other than that, I've done nothing. And honestly, I don't plan on doing much of anything. So my garden's looking good. The yellow flowering tree is a desert cassia. There's another one. And the roses are doing good. This is my garden. I love sitting out here and listening the wind blow through the trees and the flowers. My garden could use a little bit of work. Just as I was enjoying being outside, the clouds have covered the sunshine. I get cold, so even though the temperature is not much, it's enough that I don't want to be outside anymore. And just for a point of reference, the temperature is 74 degrees. I have this Barefoot Dreams robe that I bought last year, and I haven't been able to use it since last winter. So I just took it out today, and I'm wearing it. I'm fully dressed wearing a robe because it's just so comfy and the temperature is perfect for it. If the sun comes back out, I gotta take it off and go outside, but it's great. Let me get some laundry. One of my favorite tasks is laundry. I got some towels and some sheets. So towels need to come out, sheets need to go in. So one of the things I do to make sure, oh, sorry, you're bouncing. One of the things I do to make sure that laundry gets put away is as soon as it comes out of the dryer, it goes where it needs to go. And that way I don't have anything building up. Plus I will wash the towels we're using and put them right back to be used again until I get tired of them, and then I'll switch them. And same thing with the sheets. I will wash the sheets and put them right back and use them again. So that way nothing is laying around needing to be folded or put away. I pulled out a Christmas tree. I need to put them up, but I just don't feel like it yet. Out for a bike ride. Oh, I need two hands. It's the next morning. I am going to put up some Christmas trees. I was kind of lazy yesterday and I want to get this done today. So I may not decorate them, but at least I'm going to try to get them up. And I've made coffee with milk. I use the frother I have an old Nespresso frother. So I use that. And in mine, I put a little bit of the Chobani sweet cream. Just a little bit. It's good. No.
Oh man, that was quick.
Luckily, this one's easy to put up. going to mop right here. This is just between the sink and the center island in my kitchen. And this part of my kitchen floor gets a lot of wear between the dogs, washing dishes, everybody who washes their hands spills water behind them for some reason. So I'm going to give it a quick mop. And the tile floor isn't shiny, so I use this crud cutter because it helps make it clean. Apple pieces my husband fed the dogs. All right, so I got 3 Christmas trees up, and it's been a very lazy couple days. You saw I did a little bit of mopping, a little bit of tree putting up, a little bit of nothing, and some laundry. And yeah, I guess that's all I've done. I've been lazy, and I needed it. So I'm glad you came along to watch with me. I would like to share a little bit more of all the things that I'm doing and when I'm doing them, and I'm going to be trying to put out a few more videos. So hopefully you will watch. I need to cook more. I show you these things, and they're really motivators for me to get my stuff together and do what I need to do. And so that's what I'm working on. I hope it doesn't bore you. I kind of enjoy it, and I hope you do too. Thank you for coming along and watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.